Check it out. We've just installed the Hamilton conversion kit in this 2016 to 2018 Subaru Forester. This device is going to replace your bulky, outdated factory unit, and it's going to give you a brand new high-resolution screen with a whole lot of functionality. This is wireless Apple CarPlay. This device is going to have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto built into it. You can see here in Apple CarPlay, we can swipe over and this is your split screen view that'll show you you're now playing next to your navigation. Navigation with the Hamilton conversion kit is so much better than the factory system. You're going to have access to Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any navigation app of your choosing. You can see here that Siri will read your directions.
Starting route. Proceed to the route.
It's really going to make your Subaru feel like a brand new car. Coming back home, no matter which app you use for music, whether Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or the SiriusXM app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. This device is going to preserve 100% original audio quality even on the Harman Kardon vehicles. Any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. Because we've precision-tuned this device to work with your factory microphone, Siri has no trouble hearing you and phone calls sound great. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Chicago, Illinois?
It's currently clear and 63 degrees in Chicago, Illinois. Expect partly cloudy skies starting in the evening. Today's high is 64 and the low is 59.
This device preserves your original climate controls. We transferred this panel from the factory unit to the Hamilton, as well as your original buttons and air vents. Your steering wheel controls will continue to work. You can see I'm turning the volume up now. Shifting to reverse will bring up your factory backup camera. Outside of CarPlay, we have even more functionality with the Hamilton underlying operating system. This is a custom-developed version of Android that gives you access to apps that aren't available in CarPlay or Android Auto. Because we've built this device with the highest quality specifications, an 8-core Qualcomm processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, you have plenty of power and storage for many apps to run on this device. You can see here are available features that might not be available in CarPlay or Android Auto. Any app with a Google Play Store component can be downloaded directly onto the device. Also, because we use American-spec Qualcomm processors, you can have a 4G T-Mobile connection on your device. This means the device can have its own data connection if you want to leave your car at home and take your car for a drive, or if you want to stream directly on your device, you're able to do that with your 4G data connection. This device is backed by a 3-year warranty. We call it the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. Give us a call. You can talk to me or one of my team members at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.